How to turn off data saver on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off data saver on your iPhone. If you're looking to stop limiting your mobile data uses, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First things first, grab your iPhone and open the settings app. This is where you can manage all your device settings including data uses. Once you're in settings, simply tap on cellular or mobile data depending on what it's called in your region. Next, look for an option called low data mode or simply data saver. Now, this setting reduces background data uses to help save your mobile data. If you cannot find it, simply search for low data mode. And to turn off data saver, simply toggle that option off. When it's off, your phone will no longer restrict data uses for apps in the background, allowing them to use more data when needed. Or you can also search for an option called data saver. Now if you have that on, also simply toggle that off, and that's it. You've successfully turned off data